Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to save and load a selection in Photoshop. Let's start. Press Ctrl or Command +0 to fit the image to screen. Now select the Quick Selection tool and start making a selection. In my case, I am going to select this deer. Use Ctrl or Command key and plus to zoom in, Ctrl or Command minus key to zoom out. Hold Alt or Option to subtract form the selection. Hold space to move around when zoomed in. We want to take as much time as possible and make the selection as accurate as possible. I am just doing this so fast to save you some time. Repeat the steps until you are happy with your selection. Once done, go to Select and click on Save Selection. Give the selection a name and you are done. Hope you liked my video. Please subscribe and see you in the next one.